Hey everyone! Today we're exploring a trading strategy that's made waves in the financial markets, copy trading. If you've ever dreamed of investing like a pro without the hassle of diving deep into market analysis, this video is just for you. Plus, we'll share 3 popular brokers that let you get started with copy trading, so let's jump right in. So what exactly is copy trading? In simple terms, copy trading allows you to replicate the trades of experienced and successful traders. Instead of spending hours analyzing market trends and making decisions, you can automatically follow and copy the trades of professionals who know what they're doing. Essentially, it's like having a mentor guiding you through the trading waters. Here's how it works. You choose a trader to follow on a copy trading platform. Once you've picked a trader, your account will execute the same trades they make in real time. If they buy a stock, you buy it too. If they sell, you sell as well. This approach allows you to benefit from the experience and skills of seasoned traders while you focus on other activities. Now let's look at some key benefits of copy trading. Accessibility. You don't need advanced knowledge or experience in trading to get started. Time-saving automation means less time analyzing charts and more time enjoying what you love. Learning opportunity. By observing the strategies of successful traders, you can learn and improve your own trading skills over time. Diversification. You can copy multiple traders across different markets, which helps diversify your investment portfolio. Of course, copy trading isn't without its risks. No guarantee of profits. A successful trader today may not always be successful in the future. Over-reliance on traders. Relying too much on someone else can limit your personal growth and understanding of trading. Market volatility, unpredictable market changes can lead to losses regardless of past performance. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about 3 brokers that offer copy trading services. eToro is one of the most well-known social trading platforms, offering a user-friendly interface and the ability to copy other traders seamlessly. With thousands of traders to choose from, you can see their performance stats and choose those that align with your trading goals. Zulu Trade provides a robust copy trading system where you can follow professional traders and traders around the world. They offer a unique feature that allows you to set your risk preferences so you can tailor your experience based on your risk tolerance. Copy Trader by HFM, Hot Forex. HFM has an integrated copy trading feature called Copy Trader that allows you to mirror the trades of successful investors. It's perfect for beginners looking to enter the markets, as you can start with lower capital and still benefit from the expertise of experienced traders. And there you have it, a complete overview of what copy trading is and the top brokers where you can get started. If this video helped you understand copy trading better, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Have you tried copy trading before? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy trading.